The rush is on to not just successfully develop a COVID-19 vaccine, but to come up with a way to get inoculated without the typical needle and syringe. Amanda Brandeis shows us how it might work.
With all COVID-19 is taken away, the world is hopeful a vaccine can bring it back. There are now over 160 different vaccines being developed.
It would mean a lot.
Dr. Dan Henderson is the CEO of Vendari, a biopharmaceutical company based in Napa, California. He originally came to wine country to retire, but stepped back into the lab during the Ebola crisis.
One of the things I wanted to do was to make vaccines more patient-friendly, so that they don't hurt.
He says some adults avoid vaccines because of a fear of needles. His company initially set out to make a flu vaccine, but switched gears during the pandemic.
This is what it looks like. And on the back, there's these tiny little needles that you can't even see.
Called the Vaxi Patch, he says the needles are so short they don't reach your nerves and are painless, while still effectively delivering the vaccine.
And then I go like,
and unlike traditional vaccines, the patch doesn't need to be refrigerated.
well, we were doing that to try to come up with a vaccine that could be distributed globally. But now, for the first world, it's a shelter-in-place vaccine.
They're now working with the FDA to see if it could be mailed to your door. The vaccine would leave a temporary blue mark, so the patient could take a photo and send it to their healthcare provider as proof of vaccination. Clinical trials are underway in animals and so far look promising. Vendari is one of several companies rushing to get these onto people's arms.
It's important to me to try to make a contribution, and a contribution like that to me is priceless.
In San Diego, I'm Amanda Brandeis reporting.